And here we are, Ypres Rally, stage number 9, Vato 1. Jari-Matti Latvala and his Toyota 185. You can see some storm in the background. Now it's time for Porsche 911, driven by Maciej Lubiak. The second after first day, and now it's time for a few BMW M3 E30. That's kind of popular model because a lot of drivers have chosen this car. I think availability of parts is still huge and it's easy to maintenance and to repair. And now it's time to the highlight of the program. I was so happy I saw that François Delecour is going to participate in this race. Now the storm is getting closer, you can see the lighting over there, and I didn't take my rain jacket. Lancia Stratos HF with some technical issue on this special stage. And this Opel was totaled on the special stage number 12. And here is the moment when the rain starts. Because of heavy rain, the road gets immediately wet. Here's the another Lancia Stratos. Let's enjoy this beautiful sound. The historical class is full of unique cars, and this is yellow Renault 5 Turbo. Luckily, no more rain. That was only a short shower, but the road is completely wet. Okay, now it's time to move to another location. I'm walking in the field and taking pictures of the cars from various perspectives. I had an idea for this shoot. I'm going to take a car and there are flowers in the background. And here it is, the last picture of the historical class.